file methods in Python. So there are so many different methods are there, and depending upon the input argument variation, different methods or the same methods may have different implications. So here in this video we shall be discussing different file methods in Python. So here we are having some list of methods. So let me discuss some of them at least. So this is the method name and there is the description. So close and open file, and it has no effect if the file is already closed. Detach, separate the underlying binary buffer from the text IO base and return it. Next one is a file no, return an integer number. There is a file descriptor of the file. So each and every file, when it will get opened, then it will be attached with some file descriptor number. So that number will be returned. So using this method file no, there is a file number. We are having this flush the write buffer of the file stream. So whatever characters are there in the buffer, write buffer, so they will be cleared. And next one is the is a tty. So it returns true if the file stream is interactive. So read at most n characters from the file, read till end of the file if it is a negative or none. We're having this readable. So returns true if the file stream can be read from. So that is a readable will be returning boolean. So either it will return true or false. So read line n is equal to -1. So read and return one line from the file and reads in at most n bytes if specified. So that is the n bytes are there and this -1 is there. So read and return one line from the file and read in at most n bytes, and if the n is specified in the parameter. We're having these read lines where n is equal to -1. So read and return a list of lines from the file and read in at most n bytes or characters if specified. Then we're having this seek offset from is equal to seek underscore set. So change the file position to offset bytes in reference to from. There is a start, current and end. So that is a file pointer will have some movement, will have some progress depending upon the parameters whatever we have passed. Next one is a seekable, returns true if the file stream supports random access. So if we can go for the random accessing of the file content, then it will return the output true. So it returns boolean. So next one is a tell, returns a current file location. So where is the respective file pointer location, to which location it is pointing to, the current location will be returned here. Truncate, size is equal to n1. So resize the file stream to size bytes, and if the size is not specified, resize to current location. We're having this writable, returns true if the file stream can be written to. So in this way you are having different functions are there, methods are there. You can easily pause the video and go through them. And obviously we shall write some codes on them. So here you see in previously we had read lines. So here in that case we had n is equal to -1, but here you see n is equal to 0.1. So what are the respective changes? We are having almost the same methods, the same method lists are there, but the input parameters are getting differed. So what is the changes respectively that has been depicted in this method and the description column? Tell returns the current file location. So it is same because we are not passing any parameter to that. Truncate, size is equal to n1. So resize the file stream to size bytes. If the size is not specified, resize to the current location. So in this way, in this video, we have discussed different file methods available in Python. Thanks for watching this video.